What happens if you eat chocolate every day? Eating chocolate every day in moderation can have some health benefits, but it can also have some negative effects if consumed in excess. On the positive side, dark chocolate contains antioxidants and flavonoids that can help lower blood pressure, improve blood flow, and reduce the risk of heart disease. It may also boost mood and cognitive function by increasing blood flow to the brain and releasing endorphins. However, chocolate is also high in calories, sugar, and fat, which can contribute to weight gain and increase the risk of developing health problems such as diabetes and obesity. Eating too much chocolate can also cause tooth decay and acne due to the high sugar and fat content. It's important to consume chocolate in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. Eating a small amount of dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa, daily can be a part of a healthy diet, but consuming large amounts of chocolate, especially milk chocolate and other types with high sugar content, can have negative effects on health. Since childhood, we've been warned about the negative effects of chocolate on our health, including links to acne, obesity, high blood pressure, coronary artery disease, tooth decay, and diabetes. As a result, we often hesitate before indulging in a piece of chocolate. However, despite its reputation, chocolate may offer a range of potential health benefits that make it a delicious treat worth considering. Derived from the seeds of the tropical Theobroma cacao tree, chocolate is widely regarded as one of the most abundant sources of antioxidants in the world. Multiple studies have confirmed the health-promoting properties of cocoa seeds, which contain biologically active phenolic compounds. In this article, we'll explore 8 specific health benefits of consuming chocolate, allowing you to enjoy this delectable treat without any guilt. It is nutritious. Dark chocolate with a high cocoa content is a highly nutritious food, boasting a rich mineral profile and a significant amount of soluble fiber. Zinc, an essential nutrient that activates roughly 300 enzymes and boosts metabolism, is particularly abundant in dark chocolate, making it an excellent source of this mineral. Additionally, chocolate is a good source of iron, magnesium, copper, manganese, potassium, phosphorus, and selenium. Despite these nutritional benefits, chocolate should be consumed in moderation due to the presence of saturated and monounsaturated fats. It may lower blood pressure. Chocolate contains flavonoids that have been shown to stimulate the endothelium, the inner lining of the arteries. This stimulation triggers the production of nitric oxide, a compound that signals the arteries to relax. As a result, blood flow encounters less resistance, ultimately reducing blood pressure. It may lower the risk of heart attack and stroke. In addition to reducing blood pressure, cocoa possesses properties that may lower the risk of heart attack and stroke. By reducing levels of LDL or bad cholesterol in the blood, which is a major contributor to heart disease and stroke, cocoa can further promote cardiovascular health. 2 studies conducted in Sweden confirmed that consuming 19 to 30 grams of chocolate per day can decrease the incidence of heart failure. However, it's important to note that consuming higher amounts of chocolate does not lead to greater health benefits. It may provide relief from inflammation. Chronic inflammation that persists over a long period of time can contribute to various chronic diseases. Fortunately, one simple way to combat inflammation is by incorporating chocolate into your diet. The anti-inflammatory properties of cocoa can effectively reduce inflammation and promote overall health. Additionally, research has indicated that cocoa may regulate the bacterial composition of the gut, which in turn triggers the body's anti-inflammatory response. It may protect skin from the sun damage. Chocolate not only benefits your overall health, but it can also promote healthy skin. Bioactive compounds present in chocolate have been shown to protect the skin from sun damage, improve blood flow, and help maintain hydration levels. Contrary to popular belief, chocolate does not cause acne, which is a common misconception. It may improve brain function. If you're seeking ways to enhance your cognitive function, consider adding chocolate to your daily routine. The flavonol content found in chocolate has been linked to improved brain function. Research indicates that consuming chocolate for 5 consecutive days can improve blood flow to the brain, especially among elderly individuals dealing with mental impairment. Furthermore, studies suggest that cocoa may benefit those with neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. It may improve mood. There's a scientific explanation for why we often turn to chocolate during difficult times. Chocolate has the ability to regulate the production of serotonin and dopamine, known as the feel-good hormones, which can elevate mood and increase energy levels. A review of 8 studies on chocolate, published in the Journal of Nutrition Reviews, has demonstrated that consuming chocolate can not only enhance cognitive function, but also elevate mood due to the presence of potent flavonols. In fact, chocolate may even be beneficial for individuals experiencing depression. It may improve symptoms of type 2 diabetes. Although sugar and diabetes are generally not a good combination, dark chocolate may be an exception. Research indicates that consuming dark chocolate in moderation may alleviate symptoms of type 2 diabetes. Some studies suggest that a higher intake of flavonoids, found in dark chocolate, may decrease the risk of developing this disease. Additionally, cocoa rich in flavonols can improve blood sugar levels, reduce insulin sensitivity, and diminish inflammation in both diabetic and non-diabetic individuals. The healthiest options. There are 3 different types of chocolate: milk chocolate, dark chocolate, and white chocolate. Milk chocolate, it is the most widely distributed type of chocolate. It contains milk, cocoa, and sugar. The percentage of cocoa and milk differs from region to region. Dark chocolate is the closest form to pure cocoa, which tastes slightly bitter. This kind of chocolate is also used for preparing desserts and cakes. White chocolate, this kind of chocolate contains a significant amount of milk and added sugar. It only contains cocoa butter, which gives the chocolate bar its white color. Cocoa is the main ingredient in chocolate responsible for all of its potential health benefits. So, out of all, dark chocolate is the healthiest type of chocolate because it does not contain sugar and has the highest amount of cocoa. How much chocolate one can eat in a day? Anything consumed in excess can have detrimental effects on health, even if it is vegetables or chocolate. It is advisable not to exceed the daily limit of 30 to 60 grams of chocolate. Overindulging in chocolate can result in increased calorie intake, leading to weight gain and other health problems. For instance, a 40-gram bar of dark chocolate contains approximately 190 calories. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.